Hey there, welcome to Michael on the Go, and I am your host, Michael Giannotti. I'm here today with Raj.
Perfect, thanks Michael. It's great to be here right in the middle of New York City and in Times Square, having a bunch of customer meetings on Microsoft Teams. By the way, my name is Raj Gopalakrishnan. I'm Principal Program Manager in the engineering team.
He's smart.
Having a lot of fun. It's been an exciting time for Microsoft Teams off late. And Michael asked me to come talk a little bit about Teams. What do you want to know, Michael?
Yeah, so Raj, we've been talking the last 2 days, you and I, to a couple of customers. And one of the things that hits me is you've been out there, you're coming from the engineering group and all that, but you're interfacing with customers. So you have a special insight into some of the big things that we're seeing. I work with healthcare and life sciences. And when we talk about not only that space, but across the board, what are some of the big things that you see that people are really excited about, want to leverage Teams for, and it's really helping to move the needle as far as collaboration?
That's a great question, Michael. We've been talking to a lot of different organizations, different sizes, different verticals and whatnot. If you were to ask me what are some of the top themes and trends we're seeing or feedback that we are getting from customers, I would say after having spent a lot of years in this space, through generations of OCS, Link, Skype and whatnot, there's a few things that stand out in terms of feedback and what we've been able to do in Microsoft Teams to meet those requirements. First and foremost, I would say that the cross-platform capabilities of Teams is one to look for, right?
Yeah.
Whether you're on a PC, on a Mac, a web client, or one of our amazing mobile clients, the experience is just absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
And it's not just fantastic, it's consistent.
Yeah.
And when it comes to capabilities, you're not going from one client to another missing capabilities or kind of limited function and whatnot. So that's one thing that I would certainly point out. That's number one. So we got you covered, OS X users, whether you're on the Mac.
I mean, we're doing this off of my iPhone, and I can tell you, I spent this last year, I was up in Haiti on a mountain, no electricity, no plumbing, no sewage, but I had over 3G Teams and went chatting with folks back here in the States.
That leads me to number two, which is specifically about mobile client experience. We've had a lot of good feedback from you all about, getting in, getting out, having snappy performance when it comes to exchanging chats, and then some fantastic PSTN scenarios where, this is something that a lot of you will relate to, which is you're in your home office or connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot. You get on a meeting, and then it's time to get on the go, right? So you're driving out of your garage, and you want to now, you expect the call to transfer over from Wi-Fi into PSTN in a rather seamless way. So, Microsoft Teams client in the iOS client and Android is intelligent enough to understand that as you drive away from your garage, it's losing its Wi-Fi strength and can automatically prompt the user with a couple of options. Hey, do you want to call back or you want to dial in? So you have a reliable audio experience as you move from Wi-Fi to PSTN. So that's maybe one of the things that I'm excited about as an end user, being able to continuously, be productive, right? Regardless of what my connectivity is.
So we got cross-platform, two, mobility,
and the third is persistent chat. Right?
Yes.
It's been something we've had a lot of feedback on, and for those of you who are listening, I know you can relate to this.
Yeah.
You're going from one device to another. You started a chat conversation on a PC, and maybe it was time to head somewhere else, and you want to continue that conversation on the mobile phone. Say goodbye to pseudo notification, missed IM notifications. Persistent chat in Teams is truly persistent. It's there in all device, whenever you want, wherever you want. No delays, no missed notifications. It's something that your end users are going to love. So definitely check it out.
I was going to say, I have a number of hospitals where they're pretty excited about it because they've been having to provide a third party, a different service for secure messaging for physicians, right? And they need to be able to audit. So then they have another cloud service and paying out I got a big nose. So paying out the nose, right, for that cost. And they're like, well, heck, if I need to do secure chat and secure messaging and have it operate like I'm on an iPhone or an Android like they're used to, but be able to now also maintain that data, have it auditable and all that.
Michael,
Forget it.
you don't have to compromise security in favor
Right.
of just better performance
Yep.
or kind of the in and out experience. Teams delivers the best messaging experience in a totally secure and compliant way that you as an administrator don't have to lose your sleep over.
Right.
So it's there, it's here. Go try it out. And then as parting comments, I would say that June 30th was a milestone date for us. We've delivered a whole bunch of capabilities that you've been asking for and looking for as it relates to Skype for Business capabilities coming into Microsoft Teams. We are super excited about delivering those capabilities to you. There's a lot of details to go into, but I would leave you with,
Where can they find that?
go to techcommunity.microsoft.com, look up Microsoft Teams section. You will have a lot of details there in terms of what's new in Microsoft Teams.
And actually, if you're watching this video, you can look below. I'll have the link for you right in here, so you can come and grab it and head on out with that. It's just exciting to
It is
see
an
how
exciting
we're
time.
seeing customers today, to see the excitement around Teams, to see it as people are implementing, and it's where they work.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Michael.
So if they want to find more, again, it's at the
Tech
Microsoft
Community.
Teams blog.
Yep, Microsoft Teams section
Yep.
of techcommunity.microsoft.com. I'll see you guys over there.
Awesome.
Michael,
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Take care, and as
Take care.
always, ciao.
See you, folks.